This is the Aiptek MyNote Bluetooth digital note taker with Bluetooth transfer to your mobile phone or to your computer, or you can use the USB cable. As you can see, it comes in a nice leather type looking case. It comes with an A5 pad and a pen that you can write with. So the first thing you need to do when you get this is to charge it up. So simply plug the USB cable that comes with it into your computer and then into the pad itself, and then leave it on charge for some time. So that will make sure that your computer is charged up. Now, having done that, you can take out the USB cable and then you can just go off taking notes at your meetings. So I'm just going to write a simple note on here. This is Friday in London. Now, once you've done that, you simply flip over the device at the top, and that will then store the page into the memory of the note taker. Now, what you do then is, once you come back to your computer, you simply plug this back in again, or you connect it via the Bluetooth, and then you can download these pages onto your computer. Now, whatever you do, make sure you install all the software that's on here, because when I first did it, I made the mistake of not installing all the software. But install all the software. If you want to use this with a mobile phone, as you can see, there is the QR codes to install the software on BlackBerry, or the QR codes to install the software on an Android. This has to be Bluetooth devices, and then you can connect the pad to that. My preferred way of connecting, as I said, is via the USB port. So now, once I've plugged that in, I'll show you on the screen how to actually get the information from the note taker onto the computer.
Once you've arrived back at your computer and you want to get the notes off your note taker onto the computer, simply plug in the USB cable and load the Note Manager program. Then simply go to File and go to Upload. This will download all the notes off of your note taker onto the computer. I'm not going to delete them now. Now, if you've installed the script converting program, this will be highlighted. If this A is greyed out, you haven't installed the MyScript program. So if you've installed that and you've got that there, you can simply open this up and you can select that option, and then you'll get MyScript. You simply say OK and you select the English, if that's what it is, and then it will convert the text into Word format. So there's a couple of things in there, but there you go. You see it's editable. It's taken my handwriting, which is pretty bad, and converted into text. You can save that in Word and do whatever you want to do with it. So that's basically how you use the note taker for getting notes off of your note taker. Okay, there's another thing you can do with the Note Manager, and that is write directly straight onto the program itself. Now, if you go here and select configuration and go to set digital mode, you can select it to either act as a mouse or act as a note taker. This had me confused for a little while, so make sure you've got it set as note mode. Then when you write with a pen, you'll see that the pad will pop up, and now you can type straight into the pad and write straight on here. Anything you want, draw circles, draw diagrams, and you can actually write straight on here. You can actually use it as a digital tablet. So that option is there for you as well. You can convert to text, you can do whatever you want to with that option. There is actually a photo sketcher which you can also use, but this will actually act as a really nice way to type notes straight into the program.